Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun. We're going to take a little pause from our normal activity and jump into this project that we're doing for a lady about 10 miles away. And a company has sent us a plasma cutter that we can use to cut the frame of this piece that we're working on. Here's a photo of the piece. So, and also at the same time, Jason's gonna try his hand at stepping into the YouTube family.
So we came across the company, Vevor, that reached out to Nick and asked him if he would be interested in testing some products and shooting little videos about them, putting them on YouTube. So today they sent us a plasma cutter, and we're going to use it today on this project that we have. But first, let's just open it up and see what we got here. So it looks like it comes with everything you need to get going. I think the price is $250. Seems to be a pretty good deal. We're gonna set it up and cut some for the sign project we got over here. Got everything out. Looks like they send you everything you need. They go a little extra mile and give you an adapter. Let's get it put together. Everything seems pretty self-explanatory with diagrams and telling you how to do it. We got the ground.
There's supposed to be 2 screws right there.
Yeah.
And they weren't put in. I'll be damned. And this little thing really needs to be someplace secure.
Oh, and that's where it mounted, right back there, huh?
Yeah. Now it's like this.
Yeah.
Huh. Not exactly secure though. This thing's just kind of sitting there.
You filming this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
My wife's in here bugging the hell out of me.
Okay, I'm going to go into
What do you
town.
want?
I'm just going to go in and, you know.
Get ready to go into town.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
As always.
Yeah, all right.
Someday I'll meet your wife.
Yeah. I'll bring the kids in here out one day.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, instructions. They are always lacking. So, this has no way to bolt. Boom. Somebody forgot to, this must have been a Monday unit. You know, the old Yugo car, the joke was with the old Yugo cars from Yugoslavia was the Monday and Friday cars were pieces of shit because everybody was drunk. They were either getting ready for the weekend or they had just finished the weekend. But the Wednesday cars were great. So if you ordered a Wednesday car, you would get a car that ran pretty good. This must have been a Monday unit.
Monday or Friday.
Yeah, they forgot to put the holes in. So we're going to have to put some holes in. And not only did they forget to put the holes in, but obviously we don't have enough screws to hold that. Yeah. So this goes like this. The question is, oh, here it is. Here it is. There's a nut.
Okay.
And of course, anywhere in the instructions, it doesn't say there's a nut. Nowhere. You know, and you know, once you get it set up, then hopefully it's going to work just fine. But and this isn't just this unit or this company that this is a problem. This probably you already know. This is universal. Instructions are always lacking. You got to be a machinist to figure it out. So we're going to be right about there, I would say. So we're going to drill some holes. Hopefully we don't drill into anything critical. But you know, if they're saying holes are supposed to be right there, we're just going to go ahead and put something in right there.
Finish the job. Yeah, so all in all, it seems pretty good. Like Nick was saying, there's a few holes missing, but nothing that's not too hard to fix.
Now we got to do this so that I don't punch all the way in. Yeah. Didn't feel like I hit anything.
Seems smooth.
Right about there. Oh, that's it. Okay. It wraps.
That makes sense.
And of course nothing in the instructions shows that that's what it's supposed to do. But since we're doing this for you, you can refer to this YouTube video if you need instruction. I mean, that's what YouTube's for, right?
There.
Pretty good?
Extras. Tips.
Oh, there's already a tip in there?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, look at this. It's got a little guide. That's not bad.
Keep you right on your target.
All right, you got it plugged in?
Let's plug it in.
Let's plug in. So this goes to here. They give you like 19 feet of hose. Well, that's good. We can use the hose somewhere else. Okay, let's cut that. Yeah.
And no hood.
Hey, Nicole,
No helmet.
Yes, ma'am.
can you look at something really quick for me? Just want to make sure this.
Okay. Got that plug. Energized. Lots of extra hose. Always come in handy. Better to have too much than not enough. Set that aside. Adapter. Got the ground.
Okay, well that's not bad for getting it compact
Secure.
and
Yeah.
yeah. All right.
Does a pretty good job holding. We got power. Let's see.
We're plugged in. Okay. And now we got to plug in air. So we're going to have to come over to the project, I think.
Okay.
Let's just maybe we'll set the unit right here.
Yeah. And that's one thing I do notice, like Nick just mentioned, it's pretty small, pretty compact. You can get it, you know,
And light.
some spots that you know, your bigger one won't go, and it's really light.
Okay, we got it hooked up. We're ready to go, I think. We've got, you don't really need a full-on welding helmet to plasma cut, but you definitely need some glasses that cut out the red. Now these glasses cut completely out any red that you can see. Well, yeah, you can see a little bit through there, and that protects your eyes. I tried to wear these. Anyhow, I tried to wear these home one time after going to the eye doctor. You know, and of course they dilate your eyes, and they say, "Hey, bring some glasses along." And so I grabbed these. They happened to be in my truck, and I put them on. The problem is, you can't see red lights. So I couldn't see the red lights, the red traffic lights. So don't wear them when driving. All right, so we're going to pick up a piece of steel here. Maybe put it on that chair. Yeah. And let me drag you around and get right to the place where we're going to do this. And we're going to try to cut it because I'm doing what might be considered a picture frame. So that's good for that. Give me a 90 degree. And we're just going to test the angle and see what it looks like. So, bring this down. So you're going to cut that right there. Okay, so now just get this edge so that it goes on the line. You're probably going to want to put a glove on there. Here. Looks pretty good.
Too bad.
All right, so let's take that and go ahead and cut that, and then we'll cut another one at 60, and that way we'll have what we want. All right.
It cuts.
Yeah, it cuts 1/4 inch. So let's try cutting something a little thicker, just for fun.
Just to see what we can get out of it, huh? That's all the way up on the amps.
Yeah. Here we go. This is more like 3/8.
See what we do, huh?
Hang on, don't cut that.
Cut through there.
Just cut this. Cut,
one?
yeah, cut that little corner off. Now you're going to have to move slow. There you go. Well, leave a lot of slag down below, but it looks like it cut pretty damn good. Let's get a pair of... All right, let's take it to the next level. Half inch. Cut that. I don't know. I mean, there's a bit of undercut there, but still cut it. That's half inch. Okay, let's go to the next one.
This is where the fun comes in. You get to test it. Find its limit somewhere.
Well, I'm sure this is going to be the limit right here. Looks like 3/4. So now you got to really go slow. Slow down. Go slower. Let it catch up. All right, now move forward. A little bit. Yeah, that's good. Okay, well, we've reached our maximum here, I think. But I'll bet you that it's still cutting.
Yeah, it's getting good. Definitely.
Yeah,
Is that one corner it looks like?
yeah, go ahead and do it. Yeah, it's just a little bit too much. Of course, this is 3/4 inch material. So, all right, for a $250 plasma cutter, we got half inch material, fairly clean. A little bit of undercut, but you know, you got to expect that. But that's a pretty clean cut.
Yeah, it's pretty powerful for its size, for sure.
All right, so that's good for that. Now we're on with the rest of the project.